Hey everybody, 580, week 8. It's a very exciting time. So, a few things. This is going to be a shorter video because it's week 8 and because we're meeting on Tuesday. So that's the first thing. We're meeting this Tuesday. As usual, 6 o'clock class. Look in the announcements for details. You guys are pros by now. This week, continue the reading. There's Hendricks chapter 7 that looks at writing an action research report. So looking ahead to 605. Assignment 8, the collaborative capstone project proposal is due. So there's a Google Doc that walks you through the assignment description. There's a template that you can write in. When you click on that link, be sure that even though the template is a Google Doc, that you download that Google Doc as a Word doc. Make sure it's formatted correctly, which is not a big deal for the proposal compared to the APA formatting of the actual action research project. For that proposal, you're going to do that and then submit that Word doc to Blackboard. Make sense? Straightforward enough. Again, I know it kind of defeats the purpose of having a Google Doc, is that you can just share the link, but a big part of our accreditation is having, I was going to say hard copies, but I guess they're soft copies, a copy, like an actual file inside a Blackboard organized in a way that makes sense. So thank you for doing that. I also just noticed that there's like a squirrel right here. What's, I don't know, what's that about? One of our students drew a squirrel for one of my office mates, so I don't. That makes me incredibly happy to see. So that's it, right? So chapter 7 of Hendricks, capstone proposal. We are meeting on Tuesday, and then we kick right back up with week 1 of 605. So it looks like everybody is already enrolled. I will be your instructor in 605, and that's when we actually begin the intervention, right? Waiting for IRB approval, and then we're good to go. But I'll pause that. We'll talk about that in 605, which is not right now. Right now it's 580, the proposal. So, I don't know, that almost feels like a movie or something. 580, the proposal. And that's all. We can keep it short. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Email me with questions. You've been doing that. Continue doing that. Awesome job. Hang in there. Proposal's just about done. Last thing I'll remind you about in Tuesday, because this is week 8, everything is due Friday. Friday at midnight, not Sunday. So please get everything in by Friday. I'll be working a lot over the weekend grading everything that you submitted Friday night on Saturday and Sunday, and then the class opens Sunday at midnight. Monday at midnight, Monday at 12:01. You know what I mean. So you're able to hop in on Monday and get starting on 605. So happy end of 580. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. I will see you on Tuesday.